Let us try to solve a numerical based on ion exchanger. Okay, so here the question is, after treating 10 raised to 5 liters of water by ion exchanger, the cationic resin required 200 liters of 0.1 normal HCl, and an anionic resin required 200 liters of 0.1 normal NaOH solution. Find the hardness of the above sample. Now hardness we have to calculate in ppm. We know the water quantity is given as 10 raised to 5 liter. Let us try to solve this. Okay, so how to solve this? So we have given that 10 raised to 5 liters of water is used. Okay, so we'll write hardness in 10 raised to 5 liters of water is equal to 200 liters of 0.1 normal HCl. Okay, 200 liters of 10 raised to 5 liters of water contain hardness which is equivalent to 200 liters of 0.1 normal HCl. Now this 0.1 normal HCl we can write in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, so we can write 0.1 normal of calcium carbonate equivalent. Okay, now we know that 1 liter of 1 normal HCl contain 36.5 gram of HCl. So 1 normal of 1 liter of calcium carbonate contain 50 grams of calcium carbonate. That means if you take 1 normal solution of calcium carbonate, okay, 1 liter of 1 normal solution of calcium carbonate, it will have 50 grams of calcium carbonate. Okay, so 1 normal in 1 liter is 50 grams. So 0.1 normal in 1 liter will be 5 grams of calcium carbonate. So 200 into 5. So this will become 200 into 5 will be 1000 grams of calcium carbonate. Now we see here, okay, so 5 gram per liter, because we know that 1 normal is 50 gram per liter, 1 normal in 1 liter. If you want 1 normal in 1 liter will be 5 gram per liter. Okay, so that means 10 raised to 5 liters of water contain 1000 gram of calcium carbonate. If 10 raised to 5 liters of water contain 1000 gram of calcium carbonate, so we can convert it into what will be per liter. 10 raised to 5 liters correspond to this much. So therefore for 1 liter it will be 10 raised, so for 1 liter it will be 1000 grams, or 1000 into 1000 milligram divided by 10 raised to 5. Okay, so this will become, this will be 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 5, 10 milligram per liter. So this is nothing but 10 ppm. So your answer is 10 ppm. Okay, final answer is the hardness of water sample is 10 ppm.